Our offshore savings account is a regular savings plan that can be attractive to investors looking to build up savings in a tax-efficient way, and can be suitable for anyone planning to spend a significant time overseas in the future. And it's also useful if you're looking to build up a trust fund for your grandchildren. For example, it can grow free from UK income and capital gains tax, and also be protected from UK inheritance tax. So what is an offshore savings account? Well, in this instance, offshore simply means that it's based in the Isle of Man, which provides certain tax advantages. And the savings account is an investment portfolio that you can put money into regularly, with lump sums, or a combination of the two. How does the offshore savings account work? Well, when you put money into your account, it's invested in the funds that you choose or that your professional advisor recommends. There's a basket of investment funds available, investing in stocks and shares, corporate bonds, and property. There are also managed portfolios which could invest in all of these at the same time. Your investment advisor can help you choose the funds that suit your investment objectives with acceptable levels of risk. And talking of investment objectives, let's take a look at how different people could take advantage of the offshore savings account. This is Tom. He's already investing up to the UK government's pension limits, but would like to supplement his pension fund. So he's saving £750 a month into the offshore savings account, with the intention of cashing it in at age 55 and supplementing his retirement income early. This is Jane. She'd like to build up a pot of money to help pay her grandchildren's school and university fees. So she's saving £6,000 a year into the offshore savings account under trust. As her grandchildren are non-taxpayers, having the investment based in the Isle of Man will reduce the exposure to UK tax. This is Olive. She also has grandchildren and likes the idea of building up a trust fund for them which is free from inheritance tax. As her husband recently died and her cost of living has fallen, she is now saving £1,000 a month into the offshore savings account under trust. So her grandchildren and even great-grandchildren will have the financial support when they need it in the years to come. This is Jenny. She has a lucrative contract working in a hospital overseas for 5 years and wants to build up a good nest egg for when she returns to the UK. So she's saving £1,500 a month of her tax-free earnings in the offshore savings account to take advantage of the added tax benefits the account can provide. This is Sergio. He's come to the UK working for a European company on secondment until 2022. He'd like to build up a pot of money to take away with him when he returns home. So he's saving €1,500 a month into the offshore savings account where it can grow free from UK tax. Whatever your situation and investment objectives, you can choose to have the account in either sterling, euros, or US dollars. And there's no limit to the amount you can invest, and no set investment period. And you are able to take out lump sums, regular withdrawals, or a combination of the two, leaving the rest fully invested. Any income and growth generated by your investments in the funds are added back in to help build up your investment, and there is no UK tax payable on the account. The offshore savings account is also very flexible. You or your professional advisor can switch funds as required, without charge and without it being treated as a disposal for capital gains tax purposes. When you eventually come to cash in your offshore savings account, the profit could be subject to tax in the country in which you are residing. So Sergio, for example, could pay local tax, if any, and not UK tax on any gain he made. Alternatively, you or your trustees may simply pass the whole account or part of it to new owners. This is called assignment. And if they decided to take any money from the account, tax may be payable at whatever rate applies to them. If they are young people, that rate could easily be a lower rate than you pay. And if the person who owns the offshore savings account is working or retired overseas, the profit could be free from UK tax altogether.